How to save location on Google Map. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you save any location in Google Maps. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Google Map on your device. After you open Google Map, from there you'll have to find out any location whom you want to save. Simply after you find, tap on that. After you tap on that, at the bottom, tap on save. From the section Save to List, you'll be able to save that location on any kind of list like favorite, stayed place, want to go or travel plans. As you can create a new list by tapping on New List at the top. Simply select one and tap on Done at the bottom. After that, you'll be able to find out that saved location from your Google account. For that, simply tap on U at the bottom. From your open the list where you save that location. As you can see, here I am getting that location I have saved before. In this way, you can also save location on Google Map. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.